Hey, it's time to do some wrenching. Okay, this is where I'm going to mount my new vise. I got this at Harbor Freight the other day. And it looks like a nice vise, and I got it with a 20% coupon. So it came out to like 60 bucks. And it's pretty good. So I'm going to mount it right over here. I'm going to be mounting it on this plate to make it more sturdy, because it's a wooden table, so it's just got a plywood top on it. And this should make it a lot sturdier. Okay, so I picked a mounter right there, and I put these clamps here to keep it still when I'm drilling it. The paper, it's easier to see where to mark it with this pen. Okay, right there. Right there. Okay, right here. Okay. Okay, I'll just put a little indent in this so the drill don't walk off. I'm going to start with a smaller bit and then work my way up to a 3/8. Not drilling too good. Try some oil. Try a little lubricant. Penetrating oil here. Well, that bit ain't doing it. I think I'm going to try a different bit. Try a smaller bit. Okay. Okay, I'll try this one next. Alright, this is a 3/8 bit. Alright, yep, bolts fit. Okay, I gotta clean this up and then bolt her up. Okay, let's set her on there. Line her up. Put the bolts in. Okay, well, I gotta get some washers. I gotta have to get some washers and nuts for these. I just had these lying around, but they all fit. Yeah, this is nice. Nice vise. Never had one like this. You'd be surprised what I had before. I had this really small, cheap one on here. But this is a nice one. It swivels. Yeah, I'm gonna like this vise. This is nice. Yeah, so I just gotta get some. I gotta get some washers and some nuts for those bolts, because these I just had laying around. And that's it. She'll be in. This should make it nice and sturdy. Yep. Okay, there she is, all bolted up. Hey, if you have any comments, post them down below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.